Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to do overlay in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, then please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's dive in. First of all, open CapCut on your PC. Import the video file by going over here on import on top left. After importing it, just click on add to track. Now, just hold the video file and place it over here on the top like this. As you can see, for now I can't see my video which is beneath. So in order to see it, just click over here on the video and decrease its scale by going on basic on top left like this. As you can see, now you can drag it around the previous screen and set it according to your need. I'm going to put it over here on bottom right corner.